In the heart of ancient Mexico, the Aztecs worshipped a goddess who embodied both the beauty and the terror of water. Her name was Chalchiuhtlicue, she of the Jade Skirt. She ruled rivers, lakes, seas, and storms, but she was also a patroness of childbirth and purification. For the Aztecs, she was life itself and the force that could sweep it all away. Her name comes from Nahuatl, Chalchiuhtlicue, Jade, and Quaid, skirt. Jade wasn't just a stone, it symbolized fertility, youth, and purity. To wear jade was to shine with divine life. She was sometimes called Chalchiuhtlicue, meaning she who shines like jade, or Matlacque, she of the blue skirt, among the Tlaxcalans. Each name reflected not only her beauty, but also her connection to water's shimmering, powerful nature. Chalchiuhtlicue ruled what the Aztecs called the horizontal waters, rivers, lakes, and streams. Her partner, the storm god Tlaloc, commanded the thunder and lightning, but she governed the gentle and flowing currents of life. She was the patroness of childbirth and baptism. Midwives invoked her during labor, washing their newborns in sacred water. These rituals weren't just symbolic, they were believed to cleanse the heart, to give the child a fresh start in life, and protected by the goddess herself. In Aztec mythology, Chalchiuhtlicue ruled the fourth sun, one of the great ages of the world. During her reign, maize was first cultivated, feeding humanity and laying the foundation of civilization. But the story doesn't end in peace. The gods accuse her of showing false compassion. Heartbroken, Chalchiuhtlicue unleashed her fury. For 52 years, rain fell without end. The skies broke open and the rivers overflowed. The world drowned. Humanity was destroyed. Some were transformed into fish, absorbed into her watery kingdom, and those she favored, Chalchiuhtlicue built a bridge between heaven and earth, allowing them to escape. Her flood marked the end of the fourth sun, making way for the fifth, the age we live in today. Her presence wasn't just a myth. Beneath the Pyramid of the Moon in Teotihuacan, archaeologists discovered a massive 20-ton monolithic sculpture of a watery goddess, carved from green stone. Most scholars believed it to represent Chalchiuhtlicue. That statue, unearthed in the 19th century, was moved to Mexico City, where it still resides, in the Museo Nacional de Antropología. It's one of the largest surviving depictions of the Aztec water deity, a reminder of her monumental importance. And she appears throughout the Aztec codices. In the Codex Borbonicus, she sits on a red stool, water flowing from beneath her, carrying babies as if they were swimming in her skirt. In the Codex Borgia, she sits on a throne as river streams outward, flanked by figures standing in her waters. Her headdress is always elaborate, wide cotton bands with tassels, decorated with amaranth seeds, often colored blue or jade. And her image was a constant reminder that water is both nurturing and merciless. The Aztecs honored Chalchiuhtlicue with major festivals. 5 of the 20 great ceremonies in the calendar were dedicated to her and Tlaloc. During Aztec, priests dove into lakes and croaked like frogs, imitating creatures who herald the rainy season. Entire months like Aztec in February were devoted to ceremonies for water gods. Priests offering jade, shells, and sometimes human lives to ensure rain and fertility. To the Aztecs, her favor meant survival. Chalchiuhtlicue was beauty, fertility, and renewal. To the Aztecs, she embodied water's eternal duality, the power to give life and the power to wash it all away. She of the Jade Skirt still flows through history, her story rippling like the rivers she ruled. And this is my drawing of Chalchiuhtlicue. I apologize for butchering all the pronunciation for names and the language in this video. I tried my best. But if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And watch for my new videos that are posted every Saturday each week. And you can join my Discord and my Instagram if you want to follow and chat and talk about art. And don't forget, if you're creative, go create. This is Inkology.